Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. This is a channel that provides dashboard and other data management tools. Today we'll see the daily service level that's constructed using conditional formatting. Here is on the left side we'll have date and service level. Here on top we have a target of the service. Our target of service level should be 90%, and in here the graph shows the daily service level by percentage and compare against the target, and the green color shows where the service level percentage is greater than the target. It will show green, and if it is red it shows the service level is below the target. Now at the moment here we have the target percentage is 90. Here is on the x-axis the dates, and here on the y-axis the percentage of the service. And as we feel here, it will just show this one. Let's change and check whether this is working, and actually it is very interactive. Now at the moment the target is 90, and here we have 3 green cases on April 4, on April 9, and on April 10. It's green. If I change this target to some other numbers, it will change. Let's say this is 95% target. Can you see now? It's only on April 10 and April 9 that we have actually achieved our target. If I make this again 80, our target, oh, this 4, 5, 6, at least for 5 days we are above the target, and this is very interactive, and so that we can judge our level of service level. And in this case I have used the service level, but you can actually rate your production. Even for production we can use this type of chart, or for any other related purpose. You can use for service level rating, for production level, or even for sales. You can use it, so it will actually generate the percentage and on the chart, and it also displays the movement of, or the performance of every day against the target, so that you can judge for example weekly basis or monthly basis performance. So this is very important to judge our service level performance. Here it has an instruction page and benefit page. In the instruction page, here is how we should insert the data. We simply insert the date and insert the service level in the chart here. We can just change our dates based on our data. Then the graph will update with different colors: green above the target and red below the target. Then we save the data. If I have a weekly schedule, we can actually change this every week or every month, for that matter, and so that it will actually guide us how many days we are actually performing above the target or below the target. In this particular case, if I make 80 as a target, and here we have out of 10, we have actually performing above the target for at least 6 days and 4 days below the target in this particular case. The benefit of this chart is that it is easy and convenient to enter the data. It automatically generates service level by colors. It identifies service level above and below the target. It is also useful to track service level, to follow service level, to follow up service level, um, to follow up service level. You can use it. And in terms of for whom, this is recommended for service providing organization. It could be municipality, banking, or insurance, project or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators or M&D lead, meal staff, and M&D staff, team coordinators. Private individual can use this system. So I think it is important, and if you like this video, please subscribe for our channel. This is the reason why you should subscribe for our channel. You should subscribe to this channel because you'll get different products and tools that will actually help you in managing your business. You also get products that are actually helpful to manage your project if you are working on different projects, to manage your work. It will automate your activity. It will increase your productivity and help you to learn new skills and help to make informed decisions. So in today's topic, where we have actually seen the daily service level, at least we can actually generate some of this benefit in terms of, for example, informed decision. We can make informed decision how many days we are actually above the target, for example, is one of the informed decision. It is actually easy and simple. We can manage our work. In this particular case, for example, service level. It's also useful to manage our business. So consider subscribing for our channel if you like it. Let's see also again where we have changed our service level here, 80. In this particular case, in chart 2, it's already 80 here again. The target, if I make it, for example, 75, at the moment when it is on 80, we have S6. If I make it 75 again, can you see it? Only on April 1 and April 2, that's the service level is below the target. Otherwise, in other cases, it's above the target line. So we can actually judge our service level based on this chart. We have to set the target first in the first place and then judge our performance against the target. So I hope you like this video and consider subscribing for our channel. And this channel provides different tools like dashboard and other data management tools. So the purpose of this channel is to modernize the data system, save time, generate automatic report, reduce cost, increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, and to learn new skills. So if you follow our channels and subscribe for our channels, you'll get some of these purposes. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for following us. And if you know someone who actually engaged on service level giving, you can forward this video to him or to her so that they can actually benefit from it. And thank you very much for following us and having this daily service level chart. Bye bye.